Hello, my dear lovely people. What's up? What are you doing at this moment? Right now, I am in working place. At this moment, I am totally free because today there are today our my work my today my work has stopped because um, workers did does not come today. It's a main issue. Maybe they are make a today is last of this year's last day of this year. Maybe this reason they are make a party. uh, it's a main they are arrange make a party. They are arrange will and they are arrange will be make a party, that's why they did not come. mm, they did not come today for working, and that's why I'm totally free. Today weather condition is little bit bad. I don't know what is situation in village area weather condition. I am working in village area, but this area weather condition is little bit better. Little bit better. But in village, in countryside area, at this time weather condition is not good because winter season is going on, and village area weather condition is very cold. It's a cold, but uh, city but city side weather condition is little bit better than village area. Actually, I making this video for practicing purpose. I wanted to improve my spoken English. It's a main issue. That's why I'm making this video, because at this time I am totally free. I make this video for practicing purpose. I wanted to improve my spoken English, and it's the main reason. And I know we are know very well. Practice make a man perfect. Without practice, is not possible to improve speaking. And another thing, we should read English article, English book more and more, and also we should study. We should memorize new word. Then it's possible to improve in English. Otherwise, not possible because those who are know many word in English, they can describe any situation easily. But right now, I have no many word. That's why I am unable to describe many things. But I can imagine about it. But I did not describe. I do not describe because lack of word and it's a main issue. But I try to my overcome this situation, but it's not possible to complete one day or 2 day. But I I should overcome this situation by practice. Okay, thank you for watching my video. uh, I will I will I will be make another video very soon because I want to improve my spoken English. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.